Hello, I hope you're going to hear this message loud and clear. I'm on my exercise walk and I'm listening to your clients on automation program. And I need to tell you that it's amazing, it's truly amazing. I was about to quit. Just a few weeks ago, I was about to quit when I got to your ad and I found your message and I thought, let me give it a go. And right now, just a couple of weeks on, I am absolutely on a different level of certainty, of understanding where and how I was stuck, on understanding what can help me to move my business forward and how I can help more efficiently people I meant to serve and share my gifts. So I really need to say thank you for putting your heart, for putting your attention, for putting yourself into creating this program and reaching us, business people who are here to serve, to really be more efficient in doing so, being more in the flow, in the heart, and serving our best, not quitting. Because I know, as many other coaches there, we are here to make a difference, really massive positive difference. And unless we reach those people, we would not be able to do that. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. All the best in serving people like me and other people you're already serving. Lots of love. Bye-bye.